and hello, welcome back to my The Glam Girl Krishna S channel. And yeah, if you are new here, my name is Glam Girl Krishna. Hello everyone. So as you can see, I am in a little bit of a cool girl makeup. So if there has been a trend of cool girl makeup going around and I felt so left out, I really want to jump on trend. Even though currently outside it's a nice and warm, and I'm so excited to give you guys this tutorial on a winter kissed look. So let's just get straight into it. Getting started, just put in my mandatory by clips. First of all, I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty Mattifying Makeup Primer Blush. First things first, it is so important no matter the weather to prime your face because it just helps makeup evenly stick to your face and last a lot longer. First thing first, I am going to get straight into brows. There is no particular way in which you need to do your brows winter look. I've just been liking slightly brushing my brows. By the way, this Patrick 2 brow gel is straight up like a super glue. Like you only have like a 20 seconds to get your eyebrows into place before they literally are stuck. Therefore an eternity. So yeah, if you want your eyebrow to be like a cement, not move all day, I do recommend this because this holds them down more than anything. Next, I am going to use my Glam eyebrow pencil shade brown. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Next, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade 220. You know what, today's let's go straight into face. So I'm a little bit getting my foundation. I'm gonna be using foundation brush. Next, for a concealer, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline concealer. We're staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming. For a blush, I'm gonna be using this Korean blush, K-Play Korean blush shade pink. Back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it. See कितनी अच्छे से इजीली ब्लेंड हो रहा है. Next, for a contouring, I'm gonna be using this Sugar 3-in-1 palette to contour my face.
eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down?
Next, I'm gonna be using this Winter Kiss Pink Blush.
Please don't let me down. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Next, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Next, for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Next, I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty Mattifying Long Lasting Lash Mascara.
I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way.
Next, I'm gonna be using this Spec Cosmetic Makeup Setting Spray to set my makeup. Next, I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner shade Cherry Brown 06.
You look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Last but not the least, I'm gonna be using this Plum Matte and Heaven liquid lipstick shade 121 Lychee liquid lipstick.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart.
Lastly, I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty Fusion highlighter, just a little bit.
My heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes.
And yeah, that's it. This is the final makeup look, cold girl makeup look. If you guys enjoy watching this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video in my channel.